The shelter clerkship program with the University of Florida College of Vet Med is such a wonderful thing out here in animal resources and care. It allows us to provide additional, medical services to the animals that they might not otherwise be able to get.
So this rotation particularly helps the local community. We do have a large number of animals that enter the shelter every day, and the students do all the shelter medicine part with intakes, taking care of heartworm treatments, heartworm prevention. Also, we are responsible for the spay and neuter part of the shelter's animals, which is very good for the students since they were lacking hands-on surgical experience. So it kind of matched together with the shelter need.
This rotation really helped me to learn more about different individualized care for different animals, how to work with them that works best for them. And also the spay and neuter surgery aspect of it I will be doing in my career field for the rest of my life, so this gave me a really good basis to work off of.
They really prepare us well for the perfect standard of having all of the options at your hands at school, but here is really more real world, which is invaluable.
Even though we have a shelter veterinarian on staff, having the open admission municipal shelter here in the community be able to work with UF, one of the best shelter medicine programs in the country, is just such a wonderful thing and really broadens our reach when it comes to, the medical services that we're able to offer to the community's animals and to the shelter pets. Also has the extra blessing of training future veterinarians, hopefully for shelter medicine.